All right, guys, it's time for math. And we got a special thing going on for math today. I want to show you a couple of pictures. This is from Max. He is out with his sister, and their chickens just started laying some eggs. And we see a picture here of Max and his sister. And I saw this next picture, and I thought, man, there's some great math going on in there. Oops, wrong way. That's Max sitting on his computer. You guys kind of like that? With your headphones on. Anyway, there's Max's school today, or yesterday. Check this out. Are you looking at these eggs like I am? Let's find out how many eggs there are. I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 eggs. So that's our whole, right? But do you see some parts in there? I see some parts in there. So let's find some parts. Let's find the white eggs first. How many white eggs do you see? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 white eggs. If there's 3 white eggs by Max, the question is, how many brown eggs were there? Now, how can we figure that out? I could look back at the picture, right? Some of you probably were fast enough to look at the picture and figure out what this question mark box is that's in there. What's our mystery number? Well, let me hold up 8 fingers. If you hold up 8 fingers, you're going to see that 3 in one hand, or well, you go 4 and 4, but let's do it this way with a 5-way. Here's 3 here. Look what happens in this hand. There's 5. There were 5 brown eggs. So that's exactly what we're going to be working on today. So Max, thanks for part of our math lesson today. We are going to, yesterday in math, we looked at part, and we tried to figure out the whole, right? Today, I'm going to start you with, we're going to do some wholes, and we're going to figure out what the parts are. So, first story. Susie has 9 blocks. That's our whole, right? Now the question is, what are the parts? Some of her blocks are big blocks. Some of her blocks are small blocks. So, let's think. How many big blocks could she have? I like 7. 7 is my answer for one of the parts. Now, if she has 7 big blocks, then my mystery number is this one. What is the other part? How many small blocks can we have? Let's use our hands again. We can do that, right? Okay, hold up 9 fingers. Now I'm going to take down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many blocks have to be small blocks? If 7 are big blocks, then 2 have to be small blocks. So my other part is 2. Now, do I have to use fingers to figure this out? No. I could draw a picture. If I draw a picture of big blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then I could look at it and say, well, I need to write 9, so I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I'm going to draw my small blocks. 8, 9. Good deal. So, my whole, we started with a whole, then we went to parts. Let's do another problem. Oh, cookies. Let's do 9 cookies. Let's say your mom made 9 cookies, and she made some chocolate and some vanilla. Okay? So, my question is, how many chocolate and how many vanilla? Okay, well, Let's start by choosing one of our parts. Let's say we want 4 chocolate cookies. If Mom made 4 chocolate cookies, then the question is, what's my other part for 9? I'm going to wait a while and think about that. See if I can hear anybody shouting the answer. What? What? 4? 4? Somebody shouted 4. Do you like that? Whoever that was, they shouted the wrong answer because 4 and 4 more, I know that's 8. But wait a minute. 9 is just 1 more than 8. So if it's not 4, it must be 5. Yes. If I have 9 fingers up, 5 on this hand, how many's on this hand? 4. It's got to be 4. All right. Oh, let's draw a picture. Here's my 4 chocolate cookies. Chocolate, 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 chocolate. How many more do I need to make? 9? Let's count them. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there we got our 5 vanilla cookies. All right? One more thing I want to do before we get into the worksheet. How's my time? We're doing great. Okay, so this one is going to be a little bit interesting. Let's say I've got 10 blocks. Some of them are white, and some of them are black. All right, there's my 10 blocks. So I'm going to write 10 as my whole. Now, let's say that one of the blocks is black. Can you easily see how many blocks are white now? I can easily see it. I can see that we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if we have one black block, then we have to have 9 white blocks. Now, let's change it by saying there's 2 black blocks. If I have 2 black blocks, then how many white blocks are there? If you said 8, you are mucho correcto. 8. Let's keep going. Let's say there's 3 black blocks. How many white blocks were there? If there's 3 black blocks, the white blocks are, if you said 6, you're wrong. Count again. The answer is 7. Let's do, I hope you're seeing a pattern. 10 blocks, and we have 4 black blocks. That means how many? What? Somebody shouted 6? Ah, good job. 6 is the right answer. Let's do another one. If we have 5 black blocks, how many white blocks are there? Of course, 5. Let's do another one. Now, how many black blocks do I have? 6. And how many white blocks? Did you say 4? You were right. Let's color in another one. If I have 7 black blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, count them just in case. How many white ones? 3. Let's color in another one. 10 blocks. Now I have 8 black blocks. How many white blocks are there? 2. Let's color in another one. Now I've got 9 black blocks, which means I only have 1 left. Now take a gander at that pattern. That should be blowing your mind right now, because what do you see? Look what I see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where's the 2 1s? Top and bottom. Where's the 2 2s? There. Where's the 2 3s? There. Where's the 2 4s? There. Where's the 2 5s? There. Where's the 2 6s? 7s, 8s, 9s. Now I don't know about you, but I think that's pretty cool. All right. Let's look at your worksheet for today. I want you, on your problem set, you're going to have some story problems, some word problems. You're going to need somebody to read those to you. The first one, you have to make some of the ties polka dots and some stripes. Now, there's no right answers for one part, but once you have the one part, then the other part has to go with it to be able to make 9. For the next one about train cars, it does not look like you have to draw train cars. You just have to make a number sentence. On the back, I see 2 problems where there are 9 hearts. Some of them are yellow, some of them are green. If you have green and yellow crayons, why don't you use those to color in 2 different things and then write the number sentences. If you don't, do what we always do. Just color in one with a pencil, and that'll be your green, and then the blanks will be yellow, or the other way around. Same with the robots. Some are red, some are gray. If you want to use your crayons for that, you can. Otherwise, you can just use the pencil. Okay? Now, there is a fluency for lesson 32 that we're on right now. I want you to do that as well. It has a bunch of number bonds, and they want you to fill those in. Okay? So go ahead, fill in those number bonds, and have somebody check it for you. Okay, that's your math for today. Oh, don't do the lesson 31 fluencies, the sprints. We're going to do those starting tomorrow, but I want you to do the lesson 32, the one with the number bonds today. Okay? All right, that's it. We got news coming up. I'll see you then. Bye, guys. Do good work. Get some stars, okay? See ya.